Alright, so the video today I'm going to be making, well, first of all, I'm going to note things down, note the ideas. Noting the ideas is very important. And then after that, I'll show you the process of how I actually create stickers. And if you guys would like a more in-depth way of how I do things, just hit me up on a comment below and I'll try to get back to you, and maybe even possibly, sorry, I'm twiddling with my foot, um, give you guys a better detailed version of what I do exactly. But here we go. Thank you for tuning in. Okay, so right now here I'm writing my sticker idea. It's always good to write something prior to actually starting it, just as I figured it out, watching tons of YouTube videos and having tons of ideas, but never writing anything down. But yep, got the idea written down. Then I looked at my iPad, wanted to start it up, had no battery, so I was like, dang it, I had to get my charger. So here's me getting the charger. Got it running. Yes. Alright, so here's me drawing out a picture that I found on Google. And as you can see, I'm trying to like just fix it up. I ended up taking the picture out of Procreate and then putting it into another app where I can vectorize it. It kind of smoothen things out so I can draw a little bit better. And yeah, so I got the final details of what I want to do. Here is me in the Cricut design space, and I'm smoothing everything out, and I'm taking out a whole bunch of the extra little tiny dots, as you can see here, that show up whenever it's not like super smooth. So I fixed it up, everything's good. Now right here, as you can see, I already placed it onto the Cricut, sent it from my iPad to the Cricut, which made everything so much easier. I'm telling you guys, if you got an iPad and you want to make stickers, I would suggest just buying a Cricut and just make some stickers. I mean, you can make some stickers for your friends. It would be kind of cool. But as you can see, I'm showing the ideas. We had the idea, and then yep, I made it into a sticker. So that's, yeah, that's what happened here. And release it so you can kind of see the detail a little bit, but I'm gonna weed it out. Boom. Let it drop. All right, here's the tools. I was thinking actually when I was making this video that you could actually get extra tools, these little picks. You can actually go to the Dollar Tree and you should be able to find them. I have cheaper ones. I don't just get the Cricut ones because they're kind of expensive. So if you guys do end up going this route, just stop at your Dollar Tree, see what they got. They also have vinyl as well. But as you can see, I made this the way I made it, if that makes sense, because it's easier to weed it out, and also there's not too much detail in it, so that way I could actually just make it simple and yeah, not make it too hard for myself. I've done complicated ones before, and it's easier just to make things simple just to get in on a product or whatnot. Also, like heat transfer vinyl is something that you can kind of go throw some detail into it, but for this sticker, I just wanted to be cut dry and simple, and that's what it is. Right now, here I am putting on the transfer tape. This transfer tape kind of stuck a little too hard, but it was all good. All right, now here is the final product. He Who Got Shot. I put it on a piece of board. I was gonna put it on the wall, but decided to just go with this piece of board, and it turned out good. So the finished project. There's some bumps here I didn't expect. I can't get them out, even with a card, but for the most part, I think it might just be the wood. There's some kind of messed up parts right here, but overall, I didn't really clean the wood. He who got shot